Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Get ready to dive into a steaming bowl of adventure as we explore one of the most vibrant and delicious corners of the world, Thailand. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil temples of Chiang Mai, Thailand is a feast for the senses. Stunning landscapes, ancient ruins, mouth-watering street food, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. We've just touched down in the heart of Thailand, Bangkok, a city that pulses with life at every hour of the day and night. The moment you step outside, you're greeted by a symphony of sounds. The hum of tuk-tuks weaving through traffic, the chatter of locals bargaining at market stalls, and the distant echo of music drifting from rooftop bars. But perhaps the most captivating welcome is the aroma that fills the air. An intoxicating blend of spices, grilled meats, and sweet tropical fruits that instantly makes your stomach rumble with anticipation. Here in Bangkok, street food isn't just a quick bite, it's a way of life, a vibrant art form that brings people together. As you wander through the bustling night markets, you'll see pad thai sizzling in giant woks, the noodles tossed high in the air by skilled vendors. The scent of coconut milk and lemongrass drifts from bubbling pots of curry, while mango sticky rice glistens under the neon lights, tempting you at every turn. Locals and travelers alike gather around tiny plastic tables, sharing stories and laughter over plates piled high with flavors you'll never forget. But there's so much more to Bangkok than just its legendary food scene. This city has a way of feeding your soul too. Whether you're sipping a strong Thai iced coffee in a cozy cafe tucked down a quiet alley, or finding a moment of peace in one of the city's lush green parks, Bangkok offers countless opportunities to slow down and soak in its unique rhythm. It's a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating an atmosphere that's both exhilarating and deeply comforting. Today we're exploring some of Bangkok's most breathtaking temples, each one a masterpiece of art and devotion. At sunrise, the spires of Wat Arun glow with a golden light, reflecting off the river and painting the city in hues of orange and pink. At Wat Pho, saffron-robed monks move quietly through the courtyards, their presence adding to the sense of peace that fills these sacred spaces. Everywhere you look, intricate gold leaf and colorful mosaics tell stories of faith and history, inviting you to pause and reflect. Of course, what truly makes Bangkok unforgettable is its people. The warmth and friendliness of the locals shine through in every interaction. Whether it's a street vendor teaching you how to say delicious in Thai, or a passerby offering directions with a smile. Even when my attempts at speaking Thai are far from perfect, I'm met with patience, laughter, and genuine kindness. It's this spirit of hospitality that makes you feel instantly at home, no matter how far you've traveled. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, we find ourselves high above the streets at one of Bangkok's famous rooftop bars. With a cool drink in hand, we watch as the skyline transforms into a sea of glittering lights, each one a reminder of the endless adventures waiting below. The energy of the city is palpable, yet from up here there's a sense of calm, a perfect way to end a day filled with discovery. Bangkok, you are a city of contrasts, ancient and modern, peaceful and electric, familiar and endlessly surprising. You've truly stolen a piece of my heart, and I can't wait to see what other wonders you have in store. Next stop, Chiang Mai. As the train winds its way north, the landscape transforms before our eyes. Lush greenery, rolling hills, and a sense of calm that's a world away from the energy of Bangkok. Arriving in Chiang Mai feels like stepping into a different rhythm, where the air is cooler and the pace of life slows down. Nestled in the mountains, Chiang Mai is a breath of fresh air after the city's bustle. The morning mist drifts lazily over the hills, and the city is surrounded by a patchwork of green forests and distant peaks. It's easy to see why so many travelers fall in love with this place. The scenery alone is enough to take your breath away. Today we're visiting an ethical elephant sanctuary, a place dedicated to the well-being of these gentle giants. Here, elephants roam freely, rescued from hard labor and given a new lease on life. The sanctuary is a peaceful haven where the bond between humans and elephants is built on trust, kindness, and respect. Bathing and feeding them is an unforgettable experience. As you stand beside these magnificent creatures, you can feel their intelligence and gentle nature. Watching them splash in the river and reach out for bananas with their trunks is both humbling and heartwarming, a memory that will stay with you forever. Back in the city, we wander through the ancient old city walls, remnants of a time when Chiang Mai was a thriving kingdom. The bustling night markets come alive with color, music, and the aroma of street food, while hidden Buddhist temples offer moments of quiet reflection. Every corner tells a story, and the city's rich history whispers through its narrow lanes. The food here? It's a feast for the senses. Northern Thai specialties like creamy, spicy khao soi noodle soup and the flavorful sai ua sausage are must-tries. Street vendors serve up dishes bursting with herbs and spices, and every meal is a celebration of local flavors and traditions. Chiang Mai, you've captured my spirit with your beauty, tranquility, and incredible food. From the mountains to the markets, from the elephants to the temples, this city is a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, inviting every traveler to slow down, savor the moment, and fall in love. Welcome to Phuket, a tropical paradise where every moment feels like a dream come true. Imagine gazing out over turquoise waters that stretch as far as the eye can see, with powdery white sand beaches lined by gently swaying palm trees. This is the kind of place that instantly makes you want to kick off your shoes and let your worries melt away. We're here to soak up the sun, letting the golden rays warm our skin as we relax on the soft sand. The beach is alive with laughter and the sound of waves, while just steps away, beachfront restaurants serve up the freshest seafood you can imagine. There's nothing quite like savoring a plate of grilled prawns or spicy crab curry with the ocean breeze in your hair. As the sun dips below the horizon, Phuket transforms. The legendary nightlife bursts into action. Neon lights flicker along Bangla Road, music pulses from lively clubs, and the streets fill with people ready to dance the night away. Whether you're looking for a wild party or a cozy bar, there's something for everyone. The sand here is so fine, it feels like powdered sugar beneath your feet, and the water is so clear you can see every shell and pebble on the ocean floor. It's the perfect setting for a day of swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating and letting your mind wander. As the day winds down, the sky explodes in shades of gold and pink. People gather on the shore to watch the sunset, sharing stories and laughter as the last light dances on the waves. It's a magical moment that makes you appreciate the simple joys of life. When night falls, the island comes alive in a different way. Vibrant night markets pop up, filled with colourful stalls offering everything from local crafts to mouth-watering street food. The air is filled with the sounds of live music, and every corner invites you to explore and discover something new. Of course, no trip to Phuket would be complete without indulging in its sensational seafood. Picture yourself at a beachside BBQ, feasting on fresh-caught fish, succulent prawns, and rich, flavorful crab curry. Each bite is a celebration of the island's bounty and culinary traditions. Whether you're seeking adventure, like jet skiing, parasailing, or island hopping, or simply want to unwind in a beach chair with a good book, Phuket offers the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. There's always something new to try, and every day brings a fresh adventure. It's no wonder travelers from around the world fall in love with Phuket. With its stunning scenery, vibrant culture, and endless opportunities for fun, I'm already dreaming about my next visit to this island paradise. Explorer hats on. We're traveling to Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the former glory of the Siamese Kingdom. We wander through the ruins of Wat Phra Sri Sanphet and marvel at towering prangs. Visiting Wat Yai Chai Mongkol's massive reclining Buddha and lighting incense at Wat Phu Wan connects us to ancient traditions. Exploring Ayutthaya is about feeling the weight of history and the echoes of a bygone era. Ayutthaya, you're a humbling reminder of the enduring spirit of human civilization. Krabi will blow you away with its natural beauty, towering limestone cliffs, emerald waters and hidden lagoons. We hop on a longtail boat through Phang Nga Bay, marveling at dramatic limestone formations. Railay Beach, accessible only by boat, is a haven for rock climbers and beach lovers. A visit to Maya Bay, even with swimming restricted, is still breathtaking. Krabi, your dramatic landscapes and adventurous spirit are unforgettable. Time to trade flip-flops for hiking boots as we head to Pai, a tranquil mountain town known for its laid-back vibes and stunning scenery. We rent scooters, wind through lush valleys, and take in panoramic views at Pai Canyon. After exploring, we soak in Pai hot springs, letting the warm waters melt away our stress. Pai, you're the perfect escape to recharge and reconnect with nature. Welcome to Koh Samui, where luxury meets tropical paradise. Pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. We check into a beachfront villa, relax by our private pool, and soak up the good life. But there's more. We explore the island by scooter, visit the Big Buddha, hike to waterfalls, and enjoy Thai massages. Koh Samui is a foodie's paradise, from fresh seafood to authentic curries. Dining at beachfront restaurants and sampling street food is a must. Koh Samui, you're the perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and indulgence. Pack your sense of adventure. We're heading to Sukhothai, the first capital of the Siamese Kingdom and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. We rent bicycles to explore the sprawling Sukhothai Historical Park, home to ancient temples and tranquil lotus ponds. The highlight is Wat Mahathat, a magnificent temple complex at the city's heart. Marveling at towering Buddha statues and intricate carvings, we glimpse Thailand's rich history. Sukhothai is a captivating blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. It's an honor to walk in the footsteps of kings. Pattaya is a whirlwind of activity, vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and endless entertainment. We start our day at Pattaya Beach, trying water sports and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Walking street pulses with neon lights, music, and street performers. But there's more. We visit the Sanctuary of Truth and Nong Noot Tropical Garden. Pattaya is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples stand alongside bustling nightclubs. You're a testament to the diversity and energy of Thailand. Prepare to be wowed by Koh Phi Phi, crystal clear waters, towering cliffs, and vibrant coral reefs. We cruise through Maya Bay, made famous by the beach, and take in the breathtaking scenery. Snorkeling and diving reveal colorful reefs and abundant marine life. We explore hidden coves, relax on pristine beaches, and watch the sunset over the Andaman Sea. Koh Phi Phi is the epitome of tropical paradise. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's treasures. Oh yes, everyone! I have included some great travel-related links for you to check out. I have included everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more travel bargains. You can find them in the description below. I hope you find them useful. Our Thai adventure has come to an end, but I'm leaving with a heart full of memories and a renewed appreciation for the beauty and hospitality of Thailand. If you're looking for an adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your soul, book that ticket to Thailand. Until next time, keep exploring.